Hello, my name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, specializing in medical hypnosis, guided imagery, nutrition, and exercise. My mantra being how to live a longer, happier, healthier life. My website is drdoctormedicalhypnosis.com for your personal health hypnosis videos. Today we're going to discuss a subject, the title of which is The Benefits of Sex. Studies have proved that the more sex one engages in, the less stress one has and the blood pressure is lowered. These findings were confirmed by a Scottish study on 25 females who proved the fact. The next benefit from sex is increasing your immunity, that you don't get sick or you don't get illnesses. And how that works is that when one engages in frequent sex, the immune serum in the blood called immunoglobulins is raised. Not only that, there are certain immune cells called killer T and killer B cells. Well, they don't really kill you, but they protect you and increase your immunity. What happens when one engages in sex is that it burns calories, because sex can be a huge stimulation of exercise, and in so doing, one loses the weight because one is basically exercising, and the more strenuous the sex is, the more weight you will lose. Sex also improves heart health. And I've seen many men who worried after they've had a heart attack, they've asked me, Doctor, should I engage in sex? Because they're scared they'll have another heart attack. On the contrary, the more sex they engage in, the less chance there is of having another repeat heart attack. What we also know is that frequent sex increases one's self-esteem. During sex, there is the so-called love hormone oxytocin, which is released, and as a release of the oxytocin, it has a positive effect on the self-esteem. And this was proved in a study at the University of Texas. They worked on males and females and found that actually the self-esteem improved. Another improvement from sex is that you can sleep better at night. And sleeping better at night has a lot of positive problems, because those who do not sleep well, their incidence of obesity is increased, and they just don't feel well. Another benefit from sex is that it can relieve one's chronic pain, because again, it is the hormone oxytocin that has a benefit on reducing chronic pain. Studies have proved that if the more a male has sex early in life, the less chance he has of developing prostate cancer. In a female, it strengthens the pelvic floor. You know, there are those muscle exercises called the Kegels, Well, this works as a type of Kegel in that by having sex frequently, as one ages, you don't get urinary incontinence, and the pelvic floor, the uterus does not prolapse, called prolapsed uterus. And finally, sex is non-toxic and free of complications. Well, sometimes if you don't take precautions, complications can happen. But that aside, it does not cause any side effects. On drmedicalhypnosis.com, for the females who have stress, especially affecting their sex life, there is a stress video. And for the men, those who have premature ejaculation, there is a video on that as well at drmedicalhypnosis.com. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this health tip.